The internet has gone crazy about this new tool called ChatGPT. As the name suggests, ChatGPT is a chat engine. The GPT part stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's pretty technical. At its core, ChatGPT is a natural language processing system that allows computers to understand and respond to human conversation in real time. It does this by using advanced machine learning algorithms to analyze the words and phrases we use and generate appropriate responses based on that input. What sets ChatGPT apart from other AI systems is its ability to learn and adapt to different conversational styles and contexts. By constantly updating its language model with new data, ChatGPT is able to provide increasingly accurate and relevant responses to our questions and statements. One of the most exciting applications of ChatGPT is in the field of customer service. Imagine being able to have a natural and intuitive conversation with a virtual assistant who can help you with all your customer service needs. With ChatGPT, this is now a reality. I've seen lots and lots of articles for the past few days on LinkedIn and videos on YouTube about this tool. I thought I should have my hands on this tool. I'll give you a spoiler. It will definitely blow your mind. It is very, very impressive, probably the best technology that I've ever seen in recent times. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. So I'm in the ChatGPT portal, so let's ask some basic questions and see what it responds back to us. Tell me about the US GDP in 2022. It was actually a bummer. It came up with a response saying it cannot retrieve any information which is after 2022. I'm gonna update the question to 2021 and submit it again. There you go. It is giving me a descriptive explanation of some of the numbers of the US GDP for 2021. All right, let's ask, is moon landing fake? Your ChatGPT says it's not fake. I believe you, ChatGPT. Let's ask another question. Maybe let's go a little technical. Go for Fibonacci series in JavaScript. So it basically gave me the code for Fibonacci series in JavaScript. That's impressive. Let's get a little more technical. How to connect database to a Node.js app. Yeah, it's giving me the code to connect a MySQL database. And the connection parameters, host, user, password, and database. This is very, very, very impressive. Let's ask a slightly different question or change this question to MongoDB. Yeah, the 27017 is the port number for MongoDB, so I can see that. This is neat. Wow. Let's ask another question. How about write a smart contract that should execute every time the Bitcoin price rises to 5%? So ask ChatGPT to write a smart contract to execute a smart contract each time when there is a change of a Bitcoin price for 10%. Here it is actually given me full-fledged execution code. Looks like this is in Solidity, but this is quite impressive. I would have to spend probably 10-15 minutes or maybe 30 minutes to understand, or probably searching on Google to find out this piece of code, or at least to get some inspiration on how to approach this smart contract. But this is pretty neat. Let's try to refine this. What happens if I try again? Probably some changes here and there, but overall it's kind of the same code. Let's ask how to configure VPC in Google Cloud Platform. This is sweet. It is giving me step-by-step instruction as to how to create a virtual private cloud in Google Cloud Platform. Let's ask how to create a firewall rule in GCP. Again, step-by-step instructions as to where to click, what to select, what to give input, and that's it. Hit the create button, you have your firewall created. Let's ask how to script in Terraform virtual machine in GCP. Sweet. So the way it actually produces the response is kind of a documentation style. If you see, there is a code block, and below the code block, it gives an explanation of what this code does and what are the variables, the resource block in the Terraform that it uses and what it does. This is neat. Let's ask a little more. Script virtual machine. MySQL VPC firewall rules, load balancers. Kind of loaded question. Let's see what it responds back. This is mind-blowing. This is as if you are in an interview or asking the interview to actually write code for you, just to see if wow. I'm really impressed the way it created the Terraform blocks here, which precisely explains, creating a VPC, creating a firewall, creating a load balancer, creating a VM. In an order, it has to be created. I mean, in a typical world, I would create a VPC first, and then I would create a firewall, and then I would create a load balancer. Towards the end, I would create a virtual machine. This is exactly what I would do if I were to create this infrastructure component from the scratch. And ChatGPT kind of followed the similar pattern, structure, the way how it should be created, how this infrastructure component should be created. Let's ask one more basic question: how to do a sales pitch for technology product. I get a lot of emails from software vendors to test out, to have a quick call to understand their tool. And some of those pitches that I see are really impressive. I thought I should ask the same question to see if I get a similar response as how I see them. To do sales pitch for a technology product over email. So it basically gave me instructions as to what the first paragraph should look like, what the subject line should look like, the second paragraph, use examples and case studies, include links to the product website, clear call to action, use professional and friendly tone throughout the email. Wow, this is amazing. This is literally one of the greatest tools or software piece that I've seen in the recent times. I'm really impressed the way how it takes the questions, processes it, and gets back to me with answers. Although the tool itself is free to sign up and use and ask questions and get responses, I'm not sure it would be free in future. There might be some price tag to use this tool, probably number of queries per day or per year or per month. But this is not going to be free. So if you are someone who wants to test this tool, this piece of amazing technology before it goes into premium model, this is now is the right time. Check it out and let me know if there are any interesting questions if you want me to ask ChatGPT, and I can certainly make a video on that. And yeah, like I said, ChatGPT is something that is going to stay here and it is going to be leveraged by many organizations. I can literally think of many use cases using this technology. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing my channel. I'll make more and more videos like this. Thank you so much.